Conversion of angle measure. So how can you convert one angle, the measure of an angle from one system to another system, from one unit to another unit? In my first class, I have already discussed there are three methods to measure an angle, and the different units are used in different methods. The different units are degree, radian, and grade. So how can you convert one angle from one unit to another unit? First is radian to degree. If you want to convert radian to degree, then multiply radian by 180 by pi degree. If you want to convert degree to radian, then multiply degree by pi by 180 radian. Then is the relation between degree and grade. 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade, and 1 grade is equal to 9 by 10 degrees. I have already discussed all this, but this is the gist. And the relation between degree and radian, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. And the relation between grade and radian, 1 grade is equal to pi by 200 radians, and 1 radian is equal to 200 by pi grades. So these are the important relations among degree, radian, and grade. Next, three important notes. First is the relation between the degree, grade, and radian. If the measures of an angle in degrees, grades, and radians. Suppose an angle in degree is D, in grade is G, and in radian is R. Then the relation among these three is D by 180 is equal to G by 200 is equal to R by pi. So this is the relation. Next is a very important thing. Many times the students are confusing me. The students are self-confused also. To know about the relation, how can they express 1 degree into radians? The students, 1 degree we know, हमको पता है 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, and this actually is, you know, pi is equal to 3.14. So if we divide this, we get 0.01745392 radian. So 1 degree in decimal form is 0.01745392 radian. Similarly, when you are converting radian into degree, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree, but in decimal form this is 57.2957791 degree. How we know? Pi is 3.141, and dividing this we get, and in decimal form is this 1 radian is also 57 degrees 17 minutes 44.81 second. And the last one is theta is equal to L by R. We know where theta is the angle at center, L is the length of arc, and R is the length of a radius. Convert 5 degree 37 minutes 30 second into radian. Now given 5 degree 37 minutes and 30 second, we know that 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute, and that is why 30 second is equal to 30 by 60 minute. So when we convert second into minute, divide 60. So this is equal to 5 degree 37 minute into 30 by 60. When we convert second into minute, divide 60. So this is 5 degree 37 minute into 30 second is equal to 5 degree 37 minute, or it is 30 by 60 minute, that which is equal to 5 degree plus 37 minute plus half minute. This is equal to 5 degree, and if we add these two, this will be 37 into 74. This is 75 by 2 minute, which is equal to 5 degree into. Now if we want to convert minute into degree, so we know 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So divide 60 here. This is 75 by 2 into 60 plus degree, and this is 5 plus इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने से हो जाएगा 5 by 8 degree, and this is equal to 8 5 जा 4, 8 5 जा 40 plus 5, 45 by 8 degree, and this is equal to 45 by 8 into, we have to multiply pi by 180 in order to convert into radian, and this is equal to pi by 32 radian. Now convert 11 by 16 radian into degree. So 11 by 16 radian is equal to 11 by 16 into, you have to multiply 180 by pi degree, and this is equal to 11 by 16 into 180, and we have to divide pi means we have to divide 22 by 7. That's why to multiply 7 by 22 degree, and after simplification this will give you 39 full 3 by 8 degree, and this is actually 39 degree plus 3 by 8 degree, and we want to convert it into minute and second. So in order to convert it into minute and second, we have this is 39 degree plus 3 by 8 into 60 minute, and this is equal to 39 degree plus, if you multiply if we simplify this, then 4 2 is 8 and 4 it's 15. 15 is 45 by 2 minute. This is equal to 39 degree plus this is 40 by 2 minutes 22 half minute. That means this is 39 degree 22 minute. Half minute means this is 30 second. Next question is convert 63 degree into grade. Degree into grade. So 63 degree is equal to 63 into 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. So multiply 10 by 9 grade. So this is equal to 9 7 just. So 7 into 10 grade. This is equal to 70 grade. So an important question. A wheel makes 360 degree revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So in 1 second इसका टर्न कितना होगा? So look at here, the number of revolution is 360, the time is 1 minute. That means number of revolutions here given in question, number of revolutions in 1 minute, that is in 60 second is equal to 360. So number of revolutions in 1 second, in 60 सेकेंड इज दिस, इन 1 सेकेंड इज 60 डिवाइड कर दो तो कितना होगा 6. सो 1 सेकेंड में नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन हो गया 6. सो 1 रिवोल्यूशन के लिए यू नो इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन, इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन, इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन व्हील टर्न्स. अच्छा, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन अगर एक व्हील 1 कंप्लीट रोटेशन करेगा, मैं बताया था पहला क्लास में, 1 कंप्लीट रोटेशन इज 360 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स 2 पाई रेडियन. इधर हमको रेडियन में निकालना है. सो इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन एक कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन होगा तो इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन द व्हील टर्न्स 360 डिग्री व्हिच इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई रेडियन. सो दिस इज इन 1 रिवोल्यूशन. So number of radians wheel turns in 6 seconds, in 6 seconds, sorry, in 6 number of radians wheel turns in, so here number of revolution 6 होता है. So number of radians wheel turns in 6 revolution is equal to, तो 6 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 6 into 2 pi which is equal to 12 pi. One important question, in a right triangle the difference between two acute angle is pi by 90 radians. Express the angles in degrees. So dear students, suppose this is a right triangle and this is right angle. Suppose this is alpha, this is beta, which are two acute angles. Let alpha and beta be two acute angles. Suppose the two acute angles are alpha and beta, where alpha greater than beta. Let alpha greater than beta. Now this angle is pi by 2. So now alpha plus sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. Now after this right angle alpha plus beta, which implies alpha plus beta is pi by 2. but given the difference between these two, difference means one angle minus another angle, so alpha is greater angle here. According to question, alpha minus beta is given pi by 9. From these two we get 2 alpha is equal to, we add this pi by 2 plus pi by 9, so we get 2 alpha is equal to 11 pi by 18. This will be 11 pi by 18, which implies alpha is equal to 2 divide कर दो, this will be 11 pi by 36, and putting the value of alpha here we get beta is equal to 7 pi by 36. Now alpha is equal to 11 pi by 36, which is equal to 11 pi by 36 इंटू, हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे डिग्री में तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 180 बाई पाई डिग्री, which is equal to 55 डिग्री. And if alpha is equal to 55 degree, so beta is equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree, and which is equal to 35 degree. So these two angles are expressed in degree. So dear students, this is the homework for you. Try to solve. Hope you enjoy, and thanks.